Okay, so hi guys, this is Serean Miles and a very welcome back to you guys on my room. For today's video, I have thought that I'm going to finish my unfinished graffiti which I made some weeks or maybe months ago. Some fancy outliners and colors. Like as always, we can directly jump for outlining. Yeah, don't forget to like the video. Pretty much done with the outlining part, and you know I want to have a serious background for this piece, so let's make it.
Yeah, hundreds on my bed, flexing with the bill, roses in my wallet and I'm flexing it for real. Racks on racks on racks, I look like rookie of the year. Frontin' with the cash, it's getting moody over here. Hundreds on my bed, flexing with the bill, roses in my wallet and I'm flexing it for real. Racks on racks on racks, I look like rookie of the year. Frontin' with the cash, it's getting moody over here. I'm on my bling bling song, yeah.
Yeah, I'm done with the outlining part and it's 8 o'clock now and I'm also quite bored with it, and also I have to study, so see you tomorrow. Welcome to the second day of my first graffiti sketch. It's already morning. Actually, it's not morning, it's evening. Sitting over right on my terrace and let's go for painting.
Every time I see a name nowadays, it's all wrong. I ain't never thought I'd hold this hate for so long. I'm skirting, trying to fix my ways, I'm so gone. But it's fucking cause my life's been straight, it goes on. And a blacked out whip, same color as my heart. Going 80 in a 6-speed, drifting through the yard. Always wonder if you miss me, maybe not. Regardless of the answer, I can promise you I'm gone. Gathering my feelings, had to put them all together. I can feel the way you treated me was colder than December. Every day with you was different, it was never getting better. Always told me that I need you, but I'm thinking that I never said I don't need it.
Started coloring this beautiful piece few seconds ago, but the temperature over here is really quite high and I really need water. You know, after drinking a mug of water, my energy level started restoring magically, and let's do it. And very soon I realized that something was wrong with the water and I just died. But I have to complete this sketch, so I can't die. I'm done with the basic sketch, and after a few more details it will look very good, which I will not show you, but you will see it within a few seconds. Thank you for watching this video, guys. Make sure to like, subscribe and share it with your friends, and we'll see you soon on my next video. And if you like this video, make sure to like and subscribe. What are you doing over there?
मैं मेरे पंटर स्टूडियो में रहते हैं दिन रात काम करे जमकर बीट पे है फ्लैम बॉय खड़े नहीं रहने का चल छोड़े जमकर